People who own Pepe coins are beginning to see a decline in the market. It appears that Pepe is doing very well in terms of his health. We will either have an even greater crash or we will achieve new all-time highs. We are grateful that you have returned to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I'm going to be appearing in another video for you here. At this point, it is time for me to discuss Pepe currency and share with you my thoughts on the possible direction we could take. Ladies and gentlemen, let's jump right into this movie. Both the like button and the subscribe button should be clicked immediately. Let's have a look at Pepe. When we consider the shorter time spans, we are beginning to show signs of breaking down. Having said that, I am going to tell you the truth. My advice to people has been that during bull markets, they should avoid getting too caught up in shorter term periods because they will be shook out of their position. I have been telling them this for some time now. You'll start selling in a hurry. During a bull market, regardless of how skilled you believe you are as a trader or investor, you will be able to sell rapidly if you focus on shorter time periods at the same time. A 30% decline in the value of Bitcoin has occurred during periods of strong markets in the past. Is that correct? At this moment, I believe that the price of Bitcoin has dropped by approximately 10%. However, we can see that Pepe is beginning to move down a little bit, which is not a significant amount. To tell you the truth, Bitcoin is the king. Let us discuss the fact that Bitcoin is currently in the lead. Wherever you are on crypto Twitter, you may find me at 333 Black C. There are many who believe that the altcoin season has already come to an end. Show me where you believe it to be located. Presented here is this photograph. In a moment, we will discuss the control of Bitcoin. Nevertheless, for the time being, you can see that this is the time when it plummeted a significant amount. During this time period, the altcoin season was in full swing. Then in 2021, we witnessed what transpired when Bitcoin was no longer dominating the market. Guys, it's altcoin season and we've only been moving up in the past few weeks. What we actually want for Pepe is for Bitcoin to lose its dominant position in the market. Right now, you have the go-ahead. To put it another way, this indicates that coin season is getting closer. Our position in Pepe has dropped by around 7.55% over the past 7 days and by approximately 5% during the past 24 hours. Despite the fact that Bitcoin is experiencing a decline in value and is entering a period of consolidation, alternative cryptocurrencies are performing exceptionally well. This is due to the fact that Bitcoin is losing its dominant position. A rainstorm is on the way. We do not yet have complete confirmations, but we will investigate this to see whether or not it is accurate to say that the cryptocurrency season has come to an end. The value of Pepe's market capitalization is $7.66 billion. We did, in fact, surpass 10 billion at one point in time. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to tell you the truth. Despite the fact that I do not wish to offer you any financial guidance, I believe that the present moment is probably a good opportunity to consider purchasing some alternative cryptocurrencies. A number of alternative cryptocurrencies are in my possession. Although I have already topped off several coins, the most of the coins that I have purchased have been purchased at a time when the price was low. I'm going to take a seat here and see how things develop from here on out. In contrast, if I were now out of the game and asked Black C, hey, how do I get into the market right now? I would be in a difficult position. It is possible that now is a good moment to investigate alternative cryptocurrencies, particularly if Bitcoin continues to trade at these levels. I believe that Bitcoin's reign will come to an end, and it is possible that we will witness alt-surly. What is going on here is that we are staring at Pepe people are going absolutely crazy on the timeline, screaming things like, I bought Bitcoin and now it's going to zero. How are things going? I cannot believe it. When I purchased it, it was priced at 9,900, but now it is only priced at 900. And to tell you the truth, things may become a lot worse. I'm sorry to be the one to break it to you, but circumstances have the potential to get much more dire. The price of Bitcoin can sometimes surge above 30% during a bull market, which is ridiculous, as I have already mentioned. In other words, a Bitcoin that was formerly worth $100,000 is now only worth $7,000. It is important for you guys to be prepared for something like that to take place. Avoid becoming frightened. My advice to them is that they should avoid getting caught up in short-term periods, since they will eventually shake them off. However, I am of the opinion that we are secure so long as Pepe continues to be in the sky. So long as we maintain a score of 4,017, we are in good shape. It's likely that we're going to just remain in this location. So, just so there is no doubt about it, I think this is a bull flag before the second wave comes up. When you see people dancing for glee because Bitcoin is going down, the last thing you should do is freak out. Keep an eye out. Examine the additional coins that are available. Examine the location where we are currently seated. Additionally, gentlemen, if you truly believe that Bitcoin is going to stabilize and alternative cryptocurrencies are going to skyrocket in value, due to the fact that Bitcoin is losing its market share, then please read the comment that has been stored below or the description box. When you sign up for Blow For You, you will benefit from a bonus of $5,000. All that is required of you is to click on that link, make a deposit, and engage in some trading. Free money is given to you in large amounts. Also, you will receive a 10% discount on any trade fees. Through the use of this link, you will be able to obtain it at no cost for as long as you maintain an account. Even if you are not interested in trading at the moment, you may still sign up for Bluffin by using our link. In this way, even if you decide to conduct trading a year from now, you will still be eligible for a 10% discount on all trading fees. No other exchange truly has much to offer in that particular location at the moment. On the other hand, I would like to discuss the entire market here. Is that okay? The current value of Bitcoin is less than $92,000. We probably reached a temperature of approximately 91.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Our location today is relatively close to where we went. However, Bitcoin is the best option. Because of Ethereum, each and every one of us ought to be looking at this supposedly in the present moment. Unfortunately, I mean that it is staying in great shape. Even if we are down 2.73%, Bitcoin has dropped around 10% from its all-time highs. Within the Ethereum, we reached approximately 3,500. Additionally, when Ethereum's price increases, it typically signals to the market that it is time for all coins to be sold. I believe that is where we are at this moment. Bitcoin accounts for 57.35% of all trades. You all understand what I mean by this, right? Now let's take a look at the current state of Bitcoin. However, unless we break below this rising wedge, we won't be able to say for certain where we stand. I am willing to bet that we will also receive the 4-hourly in addition to the daily. Oh my goodness, how desperately does it want it? That altcoin season is something that Bitcoin looks forward to. It does a test on it every 4 hours. It is necessary to have candle covers placed underneath it. It is around 58.41% of the total. The steady coins are not going to be included in this. The consistent coins are a component of this, and it is essential that we observe them. In order for me to give the OK green light signal, it must close lower than 58.43%. Currently, let's take a look at more extended time frames. In all honesty, however, in all honesty, however, because things are about to get crazy for alternative cryptocurrencies, when we see the daily start to break below this, I would say, guys, I hope you're ready because things are about to get crazy. It is imperative that we pay strict attention to this, particularly if you want Pepe to achieve new heights and travel to the moon. In addition, I believe that Pepe will perform